Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 8i and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is using directly your contact list, so you can block a number which is currently saved, or you can enter a number manually using the dialer settings, let's say, and of course I'll show you both options. So first of all we have to enter the dialer, and let me show you the first blocking option using the contacts. So let's find the contact you would like to block and tap on it. So let me pick this one. Now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see you can tap on block numbers. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and tap on block. And as you can see from now on this number is blocked, so you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So that was the very first way of blocking a number, and now let me show you another one. And it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see this is our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contacts. So everything went fine, we successfully blocked a number. And on the very beginning of this video, I told you that here you will be able to add a phone number manually, block a number manually. So let's tap on this option, and as you can see here, you can enter the number without having to save it on your contacts. So after entering, just tap on block, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What's more, here you've got the option which is called unknown, so after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will be allowed to block calls from all unidentified callers. So it's quite a cool option. You can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on it, and you can also unblock those numbers just by tapping on this X button right next to it and tapping on unblock. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Realme 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.